Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel VK Classes. Today we are going to study another two types of chemical reactions. Those are displacement type of chemical reaction. Another one is double displacement type of chemical reaction with help of activity, and then after we go for examples. Okay, then let's start activity 1.9. Take 3 iron nails, polish them with help of a sandpaper. Then 2. Take test tubes. Fill 10 ml of copper sulfate in test tubes and label them A and B. Take 2 iron nails out of 3 and tie with help of thread and immerse them carefully in the test tube B, which is contain 10 ml of copper sulfate, and keep them undisturbed up to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let's observe the color of the copper sulfate in test tube B as well as color of the iron nail. Then you come to know the color of copper sulfate turns blue color to fair color, that is light yellow, and the iron nail, one we kept for comparison out of 3, take that and another immersed in the test tube B, take both iron nails and compare them. The iron nails looks brownish, which is immersed in the test tube B copper sulfate. Then exactly what happened in this activity is displacement reaction. Then let's study here. Iron displaces copper from its solution copper sulfate. Means let's study by the reaction given in your textbook. When iron, the solid nail, displaces copper sulfate solution, copper displaces from its solution and reaction forms like this. Ferrous plus copper sulfate, molecular formula is CuSO4. It gives reaction ferrous sulfate plus copper separately. Let's see two more examples on displacement reaction. 1. Zinc metal also reacts and displaces the copper from its copper sulfate. The reaction is zinc. When zinc reacts with copper sulfate, it displaces zinc sulfate and copper element separately. The same lead, when react with copper chloride, it also gives lead chloride and separates the copper elements separately. These two are also best examples for displacement reaction. Then, by studying activity and examples of displacement reaction, can you define what is displacement reaction is? Then, when an element displaces another element from its compound is a displacement reaction. Or the higher series element displaces a lower series element is also called displacement reaction. We study a series of element or reactive series of elements in chapter 3, that is metal and non-metal. Then shall we move for next type of chemical reaction, that is double displacement reaction. We perform an activity to understand this double displacement reaction is take 2 test tubes. In one test tube, fill 3 ml of sodium sulfate solution and another test tube 3 ml of barium chloride. When both test tubes held like this and just mix the solutions each other, when you mix sodium sulfate and barium chloride each other in one test tube, you will see an insoluble white substance precipitates in the test tube. A thread-like structure occurs in the test tube, that is called a white insoluble substance. What is this? Then the white insoluble substance occurs in any reaction. Such reactions are also called precipitation reaction, which above activity is also best example for double displacement reaction. What is that? Take the sodium sulfate NaSO4 plus barium chloride, both reacts, they form barium sulfate plus sodium chloride salt. That salt is called insoluble white substance. Here what happens? The two different atoms or group of atoms exchanges their atoms are called double displacement reaction. Or another one definition, the reactions which exchanges their ions between their reactants. Such reactions are also called double displacement types of chemical reactions. Here we can perform 1.2 activity in previous video which we performed firstly. That is also students best example for double displacement reaction. Dear students, hope you cleared the definition, activity and examples on both the types of chemical reaction, displacement and double displacement. Here I want to inform you one thing, that the clear definition and notes are again given in your description box. Please go through there, and I have given 10 question answers which related to displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. You please go through there, take a notes and try to solve question answers given in description box. Before, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe and give like to my video. Thank you. Jai Hind.